Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Adi here. So today we are going to see what's the difference between your SOAP and REST. So you must have doing some testing of the SOAP or developing the SOAP web service, similarly REST API. So let's understand what's the difference between a SOAP and REST. So let's the video get started. So let's first understand what SOAP stands for. So if you see SOAP, so S stands for simple, O for object, A for access, P for protocol. So it's simple object access protocol. So it's a protocol. So similarly, if you see REST, it is representational state transfer. So this is what both stands for. So let's first understand the architecture what REST follows and the protocol what SOAP follows. Okay, so SOAP, you can see SOAP is your protocol of specific structure and its request have a unified look and organized. So it's a very much organized structure and all those things. So it follows a specific protocol. And you can see the message format is always in XML. So if you have already tested or created some SOAP web service, so you must know that the format is always XML. And you can see it always relies on layer protocol. So basically your HTTP or HTTPS protocol. So if you go to REST, so REST, if you see the architecture approach is like your client and server isolated. So if you know REST, your server side, your client side, they are detached. So it is the two, it's isolated from each other. So that is the first difference. Second difference, let's go to the language part. Okay, so let's understand how SOAP works. So how you have to form the SOAP request. So you can see, so basically this is your structure. For your body will be there, your header, and inside your body you will have your WSDL, there all your requests and all those things, and then you will use HTTP protocol to send request and get the response. So this is basically your SOAP structure. But if you see REST, it's basically depending on the designer. So it's defined with an interface description language. So any software developer who is developing an REST API, they can define it any language, like your input can be XML, HTML, JSON, etc. So that is the difference in language between the SOAP and REST. So let's understand the bandwidth uses for in case of SOAP and REST. So SOAP sends heavier request, so it requires more bandwidth, but you know REST requests are lighter. It's used as JSON mostly. So that's why we generally use REST API for the software that requires, that is in low bandwidth. So in network low bandwidth, REST can be very much useful, but SOAP it requires more bandwidth. Okay, so let's understand the next point, the difference between your language compatibility and implementation. So in case of SOAP, the software developer need to write a specification again and again to set up the mandatory XML structure. So the developer has to write code again and again, but in case of REST it's not required that much. So you can just use the approach that suits your code base better. So in this case REST, you don't need to change your code again and again, but in case of SOAP, developer has to. So these are the main 4 difference in REST and SOAP. So I hope this video is helpful for you. So thank you everyone. Bye.